Hello students, I'm going to solve problem 40 from section 1.1. We have another 2 points. Both points have fractions in them, so I just want to go over a little bit of work with fractions so that you remember for the rest of the year. Same idea, when I'm finding the slope, I do changing y over changing x, and then I notice that the denominators are different, so I have to make it so that the denominators are the same. Since 2 goes into 4, I multiply by 2, top and bottom, and that's how I get 6/4. On the bottom, again, I have 3 and 4. They are not the same, and neither one of them goes into each other. So I can multiply this by 4 on the top, and then if I multiply this by 3, both fractions will have a denominator of 12, so that will be the way to go to be able to combine them. Once I combine them, now I have division of 2 fractions. So the division of 2 fractions means the top stays the same, the division sign changes to multiplication, and the bottom fraction flips. Some people learn it as a stay, change, flip, or something like that. And now I can just multiply across. So this will be 12 over 100 in the negative. However, I do notice that 4 goes into 12. So I could simplify these factors. I know that 12 is 4 times 3. And the 4's can go in this simplify would be negative 3 over 25. If you want to simplify from here, that will be okay too. Either way, you're saving a step by simplifying before multiplying. The simplification, it does go one factor from the top, one factor from the bottom. So now that I find the slope, I can just pick any point. In this case, I pick this one. This will be the x for my equation. This will be the y for my equation. And then I solve for b. When I multiply fractions, I multiply across. Negative times positive is negative. I add 9 over 100 both sides. And then b will be the result of the addition of those 2 fractions. For which I have the work right here. 3 halves plus 9 hundredths. I notice that 2 goes into 150 times, so I multiply by 50 top and bottom. Then I have 150 plus 9, 159 over 100. So now I replace that over here, and I have 159 over 100. And I write the answer as the slope-intercept form with the slope that I found first and the last y-intercept that I found.